If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with nerve discomfort, numbness, or that annoying tingling that keeps you awake at night. I completely understand how frustrating it is when nothing seems to work. Many people try Nerve Calm without really knowing the best way to use it, and that can affect the results. Nerve Calm is meant to be taken every single day, so your nerves receive steady nutritional support over time. Most people get the strongest benefits when they stay consistent for 3 to 6 months. That's why the 3-bottle and 6-bottle packages are the most recommended options, especially for long-term relief and savings. But I want you to stay safe. Only buy from the official store, so your order and your money are protected. I've put the only official and safe link right below this video. If you're on your phone, just tap the title of this video and the description box will slide up. You'll see the blue link right there at the top. Real users constantly share stories about better movement, less discomfort, and waking up without that heavy, painful feeling. The ingredients are known for nerve support, and the product is produced under controlled quality standards. Plus, doctors review the formula concept, which helps build trust. And remember, you are covered by a full 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can try Nerve Calm at home, and if you don't feel happy with the results, you get your refund. The link is also available in the first pinned comment to make it easier for you to find the official store and choose your kit safely.